Okay, good morning. Today we will be going over the common assessment and looking at the correct answers and why each answer is correct. The first thing I want you to do though is to do a self-reflection piece on how you did. So each of you has your test in front of you and you can see which answers you chose, but you need to input them. So if you go to Schoology, let me go back. Go to our class period. Go down to 5th, 6 weeks. You will see a pink folder that says Common Assessment Review. Click on that. The first item in the folder is Answer Check, Common Assessment, 5th, 6 weeks. If you click on that, it will take you to an Excel spreadsheet. You need to download it. So click download, open it up. Okay, you want to hit enable editing. And as you type your answers in, it will change colors if it's correct. So if you put in your answer and the cell turns green, then it's correct. If it stays yellow, then it's incorrect. So that way you'll get an idea of how you did. Each multiple choice question is worth 10 points. So count up how many you got incorrect, multiply that by 10, and subtract that from 100, and that is your grade. Okay, once you are done, you need to hit File, go to Save As, save it somewhere on your computer with a name that you'll recognize. And you are going to go back to Schoology, hit Next, and start with the first recording. Good luck.